Let's begin our journey at this charming shopping center, a hub of local life with a variety of shops and eateries. This small yet vibrant shopping center has everything you need, from a quick takeaways to a vet shop, a clothing store, and even a dry cleaner. It's a great starting point for exploring this neighborhood. As you can see, it is bustling spot where locals gather for their daily needs. This area is well connected with buses heading to both Manchester town and Bury, which is almost about 20 minutes away. Now, as we head north, you can really start to appreciate the beauty of this neighborhood. Notice the tree-lined streets and the well-maintained residential buildings. This area offers a perfect blend of suburban peace and urban connectivity. The local sports center that we're going to see right now is just up ahead. A popular spot for residents looking to stay very, very active. It's a beautiful neighborhood, and it's not very far away from Manchester. It's just a stone throw. It's very neat, very well organized, and then it is always a very, very quiet neighborhood. So it's always a pleasure to pass by here, and now to be able to share these images with all of you. Yeah, so as I said, these at least 3 or 4 bus lanes that pass by here, and those will connect you to this area of town, and also they head all the way up to Bury town. I insist, if you've not seen those videos where I went to record, there are quite a number of about 2-3 episodes. Please go and watch them. The Bury town, very, very beautiful videos. And that's the sports center, or the entrance to the sports center that I was saying that we would have it slightly ahead. It has rained today. Just when I was recording, this is a pre-recorded video, but when I was recording the previous one, it rained a lot, and I was in Pendlebury, and I had to actually stop recording and go back to the car. Now I was heading back home, but then on passing by here, because this is one of the spots I really wanted to record, the rain had ceased. You can see it is still very wet, and I decided that I wanted to do a quick video that I can at least share with you. So that's why you see that the ground is very, very wet, but it's just because of the rains. They're pretty heavy, actually, not your normal rains here in Manchester, which normally are light showers, but just 20 minutes ago it was pouring down heavily. It's a very, very beautiful area, quiet, and everything, even the vegetation, the lawns and everything are very, very well kept. But now we arrive at what I consider to be the gem of this section here in this neighborhood. The Woodthorpe pub and restaurant right in front of us. This isn't just any pub. It's housed in a stunning Victorian structure with an impressive history. The Woodthorpe is not only a place to grab a drink or a meal, but it is also a home to the Sir Edward Holt function site or suite, which can host a variety of functions. And now perhaps we are in the section that actually I love most, and towards the north we are headed to Berry Town, and if we turn route, on the right hand side, we'll be headed towards the Middleton Road, which can then take you to the town center or to Middleton. So let's forge further ahead and see what we can see. But in a few meters away from here, we are going to be approaching our final destination, and that is the junction where Sheepfoot will be heading to the Middleton Road. The neighborhood really has it all, from local amenities and beautiful scenery to historic architecture and a strong sense of community. It's places like this that make Manchester such a wonderful place or town to a city to explore. So this will bring us to the end of our walk along Bury Old Road. If we go further up, we are going to, or further on the left hand side is the Hilton Road that we did in our previous video. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour as much as I have. If you find this video interesting, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more explorations around Bury and beyond. And if you haven't seen my other videos on Bury, please go and check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you up in the next one. Thank you.